Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Robinhood. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in robinhood.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Robinhood website. Now right from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already. After logging in using your credentials, you will be taken into this homepage. Now from this page, if you wish to change your account password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the settings menu, you will find your password option underneath security. Go ahead and click on update password and you will be asked to enter your current password first. Type in your current account password and then type in your desired new password. Then type in your desired new password once again to confirm it, and then click on the save button. And now your password will successfully be changed on your Robinhood account. After this point on, every time you log into your account, you can use your new password along with your original email address to log in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password within the Robinhood website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.